students, welcome to virtual class of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai Education Department. I am Mrs. Akshita Kale and today we will learn English. Come on students, let us begin our lesson. Subject is English of Standard First and name of the lesson is 8.3. It's a funny world. Dear children, here funny. Funny means that causes laughter. हंसने जैसा. Okay? World. World means दुनिया. It's a funny world means एकदम खुशी देने वाली, मजाक की दुनिया. Okay? Now here you can see a picture. See this frog is playing a ball. Isn't it a funny one? Yes, one more. See this. Observe this cat, a funny cat. Got the meaning of funny? Yes, देख के हंसी आती है. Right? Funny world means हंसी आने जैसी करने वाली दुनिया. Okay? Let's visit a funny world today through the picture. It's a funny world. Here, look and say. Yes, dear children, one picture is there on page number 75 in your Balabharati textbook. You can observe this picture carefully. Okay, then, look at the things in the picture. Do you believe them? Yes, here so many pictures we can see in this big picture. Okay, here you can see a boat. Here you can see a tree, house, apples, car is moving on the road. Here again boat, ship, flowers on the road. Right? Do you believe all of them? Okay, if you believe, then tell me. Otherwise, you have to spot the funny things happening in the funny world. Yes, this is a funny world picture. Yes, let us spot the funny things from this picture. Okay, shall we start? Here, observation is must. अच्छी तरह से ईच पिक्चर को देखना है अपने को. ओके, हर पिक्चर को अच्छी तरह से देखो. So many funny things you will get from this picture. First one, see here. What is this? Apple. Second apple. Third apple. Okay, where are the apples? They are in the sky, isn't it? Okay, we will number this as 1. Okay, first funny thing. Okay, now we got the first funny thing. Now what to do? Yes, write how these things happen in our world. This is wrong, we know. Okay, we cannot see apples in the sky, isn't it? But where we get the apples? That we have to say here. See this picture. This is an apple tree, isn't it? Okay, now we will write like this. Apples grow on the tree. This is the real thing. ये सच में होता है. Apples किधर grow होते हैं? Tree के ऊपर grow होते हैं. And कुछ क्या नहीं होता है? Apples are not seen in the sky. हम लोगों को स्काई में एप्पल नहीं दिखते. एप्पल हमेशा पेड़ के ऊपर होते हैं. Isn't it? Like this you have to write. Apples grow on the tree. Apples are not seen in the sky. Okay, got this? Okay, we will try to spot the second funny thing. Now see this. This is the second funny thing, isn't it? The door is on the roof of the house. Yes, First we will see what to do. Write how these things happen in our world. In real world, where will be the main door of the house? See this. Where is the door? Here it is the door, isn't it? Yes. Now we can write like this. Door is always at the front side of the house, isn't it? Door is always at the front side of the house. हमेशा डोर किधर रहता है? घर के सामने वाले दीवार पे रहता है, right? Door will never be on the roof of the house. और कभी भी छत के ऊपर नहीं होता, isn't it? This is the second funniest thing from this picture. Now we will spot the third one. See this. Coconut tree from the house. Yes. What to do here? Write how these things happen in our world. See the coconut tree in our real world. Where it is? It is in the open ground, isn't it? Okay, we will write about this. See, coconut tree grows on the ground in the open area. Right? उसको अच्छा ओपन एरिया चाहिए रहता है. खुले में वो कोकोनट ट्री होता है. ओके? कोकोनट ट्री does not grow inside the house. घर के अंदर कोकोनट ट्री कभी भी नहीं होता. इतना लंबा चौड़ा होता है वो, राइट? वो घर में कभी नहीं होता. उसको क्या चाहिए? खुला आसमान के नीचे वो ग्रो होता है. Got this? See the picture here. It is coming out from the house. Isn't it a funny one? आपको मजा आ रहा है? Yes? Yes, fourth one. See these butterflies. Can you see here? Two butterflies. They are swimming inside the water. This is the fourth funny thing in this funny world. What to do here? Write how these things happen in our world. Real world में butterfly किधर होते हैं और वो किधर क्या करते हैं? Real world में butterfly किधर होते हैं? That we have to write. See this. Got the answer? Yes. Butterflies fly in the garden. हम लोग butterflies को mostly garden में देख पाते हैं, isn't it? Butterflies fly in the garden. Butterflies do not swim in the water. वो water के अंदर जाके fish जैसा swim नहीं करते. वो garden में fly करते हैं. Got this? Very good. We will move to the next one. See, fish. It is in the tree. Yes. Now, write how these things happen in our world. Now, first we will see the picture of fish. Where are the fish? Yes, you know this. Very good. Fish live in water. Correct? Fish live in water. वो हमेशा पानी में रहते हैं. Fish do not hang from trees. वो tree से लटकते नहीं. Correct? Either we can see here they are hanging from the tree. We can see three fish. They are hanging from the tree. This is wrong one, right? Fish do not hang from trees. They live in water. move to next one. Here you can see the one more funniest thing that we will number as 6. Okay, now what to do here? Write how these things happen in our world. Okay, now we will go to see the ship sailing on the water. See, this is the ship that is sailing on the water, right? So here in the funny world, what we can see? The ship is moving on the track. Is it right one? Yes? Okay, we will write ship sails on the water. Correct? वो शिप किधर रहता है? पानी के ऊपर सेल करता है. Ship sails on the water and ship does not move on the track. This is the track. Railway moves on the track. Correct? But ship, they sail on the water. Correct? Got this point? Very good. We will spot the next funniest thing from this picture. See this car and observe the wheel of the car. उसका wheel देखो कार का. What you can see? Here we can see the clock. घड़ी दिख रहा है. कार के wheel को घड़ी रहता है? हाँ? नहीं ना? Okay, we will write here. Write how the things happen in our world. See, कार का wheel को क्या रहता है? Spokes रहते हैं. See this picture. This is the car wheel. Okay, you can see here spokes. What we call? These are spokes. Okay, we will write here. Car wheel has spokes. Okay, and car wheel does not have clock. इधर घड़ी हो सकता है क्या कभी? हाँ? नहीं ना? Yes. Spokes will be there in that place. Next thing is, see here, a man is sailing his boat on the ground. Is it a real thing that we can see in the real world? No, isn't it? Okay, write how these things happen in our world. First we will see the picture of the boat along with the man. See here, they are rowing the boat, or boat is sailing on the water. Correct? Boat sails on water. And here we can write like this: boat does not move on ground. Right? It needs water to sail. Got this, children? This is the 8th funniest thing from this picture. Next one. See these flower pots. Yes. This is the 9th one. Here we will see the flowers or the flowering plants in the garden. Right? We always see flowering plants in the garden. Right? Now here we will write flowering plants grow in garden. And what? Flowering plants do not grow on main road. Isn't it? Okay. Here one more is there. See this. See the sleeve of this boy. Observe the two sleeves. See, this is first one and this is the second one. Isn't it a funny one? How he is wearing the shirt? one hand and another hand is not having the sleeve. Yes, you are right how these things happen in our world. See this shirt or t-shirt. Here we can see the two sleeves. Sleeves means hands. Okay, two sleeves. They are of same kind. How is the left hand sleeve? Like that only the right hand sleeve. Isn't it? दोनों हाथ सेम रहते हैं शर्ट के टी शर्ट के. बट here see this, ये लड़के के एक हाथ में स्लीव है एक हाथ में स्लीव नहीं है. Isn't it a funny one? Here we will write like this. Shirt has two sleeves and shirt does not have different types of sleeves. Same type के sleeves होते हैं. Left and right sleeves same to same रहते हैं. Isn't it? Yes, dear children. Yes, we have visited the funny land or the funny world just now. We have spotted so many funniest things from this picture. Isn't it? Build word pyramid. Yes, dear children, build means banana. Word means shabd. Okay? Build word pyramid. Pyramid means triangular structure. I will show you. Okay? Now you can see here fish. Isn't it? Fish is swimming inside the water. Right? Now we will take this fish and we will try to make the word pyramid about the fish. Now see here. Okay. Fish is there. And see, this is the shape of the pyramid. Okay, pyramid is nothing but a triangular in shape. Okay, now we will arrange the words in triangular shape. That is nothing but word pyramid. अभी ये pyramid बोलते हैं इसको, ये shape को क्या बोलते हैं? pyramid shape. Okay, triangular shape रहता है. इसमें हम लोग word ऐसे बनाते जाएंगे कि वो pyramid जैसा दिखना चाहिए. Okay, now see here. First we will write fish. Okay, one word, that is fish, because we are going to write about fish and we are going to make word pyramid of fish. Okay, now the second line we will write like this, 5 fishes. See dear children, here 2 words. Shape देखते जाओ कैसे लिखते हैं. Number 3, here we can write next sentence like 5 fishes live. देखो शेप एंगल का शेप आ रहा है ना. ओके, 5 fishes live. हम लोगों को एक एक वर्ड नहीं तो छोटे छोटे वर्ड्स उसको ऐड करते जाना है. Then we will write 5 fishes live in the water. Now we will write 5 fishes live in the water. 5 fish किधर रहते हैं? पानी में रहते हैं. Okay? See the shape. Next we will write 5 fat fishes live in the cold water. Right? See the sentences and see the shape of the sentences. देखो इधर छोटा था, थोड़ा बड़ा, 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 एकदम बड़ा. So we get the pyramid shape. बराबर है? Triangular shape दिख रहा है आपको words का. That is nothing but building a word pyramid. Okay? Now we will try one more. Now see this picture. Yes, we will try to make the word pyramid for bird. See, this is a pyramid shape. First we will write bird. Isn't it? Small word. Only one word, that is bird. Second we can write, what to write? Bird flies. Right? Bird क्या करता है? Fly करता है. 2 words हो गए अभी. देखो shape देखते जाओ. Next. 7 birds fly. Okay, 7 birds fly. 3 words ले लिया मैंने, isn't it? Next, 7 birds fly in the sky. देखो तो छोटा सा सेंटेंस क्या हो गया, धीरे धीरे बढ़ने लगा. Now we can write a big sentence down. 7 big birds fly high in the sky. Got this? Again here also you can see the pyramid shape made by the words, isn't it? Okay. Take any one object or any one thing and try to make the word pyramid for that thing. Okay? Thank you very much. Thank you very much for being a part of this lesson. Please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon to get new updated videos.